Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Having a tonneau cover on the bed of your Gladiator gives you convenient covered storage for smaller items that you want to stash away in the bed of your truck. Of course, it does come with some limitations, but if you need more storage, you can simply open up that tonneau cover, allowing you to carry larger items. But what if you want covered storage for those larger items, or maybe you're bringing along more gear? Well, that's where a soft topper comes into play, giving you that convenient covered storage again, but increasing your cargo carrying capacity. I know when my family loads up in the Gladiator to head out on a weekend camping trip, we fill up that bed pretty quick. What if I can tell you that you didn't have to choose between any one of those options, and you could have all of them in one: a tonneau cover when you want smaller covered storage in the bed of your truck, an open option, or a soft topper option, all in one product. Today, we're checking out the Traveler from Fas-Top. I'm going to show you in the next few minutes just how quick and easy it is to go from each of those different styles of top, the soft topper to the open configuration to enclosing the bed with a sleek and stylish looking tonneau cover. We're not going to cover it with any fancy edits. We might show you some nice shots in there, but we're going to do this in real time to show you just how quick and easy we can change up the storage capacity and options you have in the bed of the Gladiator. Now, the first thing I do want to mention, and I'm really impressed by, is that the Fas-Top Traveler is proudly made right here in the USA. There is two different versions available. You can buy it for a vehicle equipped with the trail rail or without, but we'll touch on that in just a minute. You also have some options where you can accessorize your Traveler top after your purchase. So I want to show you right here a really cool feature with the Velcro and the zipper feature on the rear window. As it stands out of the box, you're going to get everything you need just like this. You can purchase a solid piece of vinyl for that rear window to give you a little more privacy if you like. And you can switch it out because they've made it really easy to pull those zippers off of the top using that hook and loop fastener. The same that seals the top to the window is securing the zipper to the top material. Really innovative feature there. Now, if we go ahead and open up the zippers on both sides and the tailgate, you can check out this pistol grip release for the tailgate retainer bar. Now, that pistol grip release is super easy to operate and gives us a nice secure closure on that tailgate bar. When it's time to reinstall it, a simple push down locks it into place. We've got this nice wide flap that's going to give us that weatherproof seal here at the tailgate. If we go ahead and open that back up, I'm going to roll up that rear window. And I can secure it in place with the included straps and these G-clips that slide right into the pre-installed loops. Not only do we have loops here on the outside, but a second set of loops on the inside so that you can stash those straps up out of the way when you have the window in the rolled down position. Moving around to the side, you'll notice some more loops sewn to the exterior. And if I lift this up and unzip the front window, we've got those same loops here on the underside. You can purchase some additional shorter length G-straps, and you can roll up those side pieces and simply secure it in place with those straps to give you convenient, easy access in and out of the bed sides of your Gladiator. Now, to continue around, I'm going to flip up the opposite side just like I did there on the passenger side. Unzipping the front window, laying the flap right up over the top. And you'll notice that the front window is staying in place. I actually don't need to remove that. Next thing I'll do is go ahead and unhook these two tension straps here at the back using those same familiar G-clips. And we do have a buckle right here to pull a little additional tension to those. To fold it up, climb up into the bed of your truck, and start to fold the material right up, tucking it neatly together. Everything will fit right in. I can grab those straps, tuck those into the flaps. And now you notice that the whole top actually pivots right down. It's going to drop right into the bed under the tonneau cover. We'll move that tailgate retainer bar side to side till we get a good fit. And then we've got a sling here at the front we can pull up on and attach to that hook and loop fastener right there to keep the top secured right there at the bulkhead of the Gladiator. So in this configuration, you can see that we have virtually full use, unobstructed, of the bed of the Gladiator. Now, yeah, the Traveler topper does take up about the first 10 inches of the bed of your truck. If you need unobstructed use of the truck, it's as simple as pulling 2 cotter pins and washers, one on each side of the bed of the Gladiator, and then we can simply slide that entire pivot mechanism off and lift that entire topper out of the way, setting it aside until we need it again. Now from here, let's say we want some covered storage for the bed of our truck. Well, it's as simple as unhooking a couple of those familiar, again, G clips. This time they are plastic clips, one on each side. With those removed, we can roll our tonneau cover all the way back down. We're going to flip those 2 trigger style latches back into the upright position so that we're ready to lock that tailgate bar into place. Aligning it on each side. We got a good solid snap down securing that tonneau, and then it's as simple as pushing down the side rails, securing it with that hook and loop fastener on each side, using that same identical rail that we used for the soft topper. You see, it's just that quick. Really takes a few minutes to convert from a soft topper to a open bed to a soft tonneau covering the cargo area of your Gladiator. Opening that tonneau back up again is going to be just as easy as releasing that hook and loop fastener on each side. Pulling those 2 triggers. And then rolling that tonneau right up to the back window of the Gladiator. The top is compatible with both hardtop and soft top equipped Gladiators. And as I mentioned earlier, both with Jeeps that came from the factory with and without that factory trail rail mounting system in the bed. You'll simply get some different mounting brackets. As you can see, we're currently using the brackets that mount directly to the bedside. Now, if your vehicle has that trail rail, you'll just have a different length bracket that will bolt right to the pre-installed trail rail in the bed of your Gladiator. So as you can see, you're getting a ton of convenience and flexibility in how you use the bed of your Gladiator, giving you open and covered storage options at the moment's notice. And because you're always bringing along that soft topper with you, well, you don't have to decide before you leave the house in the morning what you're going to need for the day. You can have the tonneau cover in place, open it up, and flip the topper out if you're going to be hauling larger items and the weather changes. Not that I mentioned, you can even accessorize this system farther by adding Fas-Top's J-Bar bed rack system that is compatible with the Traveler soft topper and tonneau, giving you an extra bed rack to haul even more cargo up high on top of that soft topper. We saw that just a few short months ago when we were out in Las Vegas for the annual SEMA show. Now, if you want to find out more information or to purchase a Fas-Top Traveler tonneau cover and soft topper for the bed of your Gladiator. You can click that info button to head to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about how to operate it or install it, you can always leave this for me down in the comment section below or by simply heading to the website. As always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.